Okay, so today we will discuss that why we say sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. That means the trigonometric identity, first trigonometric identity, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Why we say that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So let us prove this. Prove that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Before proving this, let us draw one right angle triangle. Let me name it ABC. So in right angle triangle ABC we don't know the angle C. So let this angle be theta. Now by Pythagoras theorem we can conclude that hypotenuse square, that means AC square, here AC is the hypotenuse, AB is the perpendicular and BC is the base. So AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Yes or no? This one is the rule of Pythagoras theorem. So this rule is needed to prove sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Now take this equation. So LHS. Now LHS is sin square theta plus cos square theta. So see, sin square theta can be written in the form sin theta whole square. Also same way cos square theta can be written in the form cos theta whole square. So sin theta can be defined, or sin theta is defined by the ratio AB by AC. Why AB by AC? Because when we have to define sin theta, we always tell that it is the ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse. So perpendicular by hypotenuse. So here perpendicular is AB and hypotenuse is AC. So AB by AC, in place of sin theta we can write this whole square, because it is square, plus same way cos theta can be defined by the ratio base is what? BC by hypotenuse is AC whole square. Now we will conclude that in denominator we will see AC square and in numerator AB square plus BC square. So AB square plus BC square, can you remember we have already found out that the AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. So in place of AB square plus BC square we can write AC square. Similarly in place of AC square we can write AB square plus BC square same way. So I am writing AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. That means I am replacing it. So AB square plus BC square I can write AC square, because see AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. So AC square, and in denominator we have AC square. This and this will be cancelled out and it will be 1, and this is our RHS. Therefore we are seeing that LHS is equals to RHS, hence it is proved. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.